Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to share with you some things that I found over at Fansells. I'm just gonna jump in. A couple of them are not really things that I need to unbox, but I wanted to show them to you anyway, and then I'll get to the actual unboxing. So what I have here is washi tape. Now, they have carried some washi tape before, but it's always been just kind of plain boring colors, and I saw these the other day and I saw that they were carrying foil ones, and I thought, oh, that's really pretty. Who doesn't love foil washi tape, right? And you're always looking for something to be pretty and match the colors in your kit. I don't really use washi tape except for the outside of my canvas, but it would still be nice if it matched the actual diamond painting that I'm doing, and I don't always have something that's color coordinated, so I thought it would be fun. It is 10 different rolls you can see here, and you've got all different kinds. There's some pinks, some purples, there's like a blue and pink, these kind of lotus flowers, some greens and blues, all with the foil on them, and I just thought they were really pretty. So 10 rolls for $4.61, which I thought was a pretty good deal, and I think they're really pretty. So I'm super happy with the foil. Okay, so there's that one. And then I have more washi, because why not? Washi tape is fun, right? And then I got a selection of little pink ones. So these are a little bit different. The earlier ones are all kind of the same size. This one, you've got one big one, another big one, and then you've got kind of these smaller ones, the regular size width, and then you've got two really thin ones. Because the thin ones are nice sometimes if you have a kit that doesn't have much overlap and you don't want to, you know, use something really wide that's going to cover up your schematic or something like that. Or if you're just someone who likes washi tape and you like collecting it, you can get it as well. This set for all 10 of these was only $2.72, and they have a bunch of different selections. They had all different kinds of colors. I got this kind of pink Valentine-y box, but they also have other colors as well. They had some oranges, some reds. So if you have a particular color that's your favorite, you can look. And I'll put links to all of this down below so you guys can find it. And then the last thing I have in this box, because they were all boxes today, no unbagging, it's all unboxing, is a set of coasters. Because I've never actually done coasters. I try to find some off the canvas items that I think are fun and useful. And I thought these were really cute. I didn't know you got all these little holders. Oh, so you get the little cork that goes on the back. So that's nice to make them non-slip. You get the little holder for them. That's nice to have. And then you get all of these. I picked animal print ones, but they have a whole bunch of different ones. So giraffe, there's like, I don't know, what is that? A Dalmatian? I don't know. A tiger. No, is that a leopard or a cheetah? Something with spots. Maybe that's a zebra and that's something else. Anyway, it can be whatever you want. So there's 8 of them, and you just diamond paint the one side, which I thought that was nice too, because sometimes when you're doing keychains and things, trying to diamond paint both sides of it, and it sticks to your fingers, or it's hard to get it to lay down. So that's nice. So along with our coasters and the backing and the holder for them, we get a standard toolkit, boat plate of wax pink pen, and then we have all of our round drills here. So let me get these out. So we've got 10 different colors here. We've got clear, we've got black, of course. We've got kind of a pale yellow, kind of a smoky brown, an orange, a dark brown, a yellow, kind of a yellowy orange, and then a light yellow, and then an orange and a brown. So not a lot of bright colors, but that's okay. And I just thought it would be kind of fun. I didn't know it came with the little coaster pieces underneath. That's going to be really helpful. And oh, these were $12.62. So let me get everything kind of put back together and I'll be right back. So we've got our lovely coasters, we've got our pink washi, and we've got our gold foil washi. And again, as I said, I will stick links to all of these down below. If you like to collect washi tape, as I know many of you do, it's a fun way to kind of get a collection of them without spending a ton of money. So make sure you check out all the links below. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.